Okay, so for this, you're going to fold them on the black lines, nice and crisp. So, and then you just kind of form it, so it you start making the shape. The little P or the W is going to go inside the big P or the big W, so it'll just slip in like so. Like that. This is where I like a little piece of tape. You don't need a big one. And you just want to tape the inside where the tab is so it doesn't pop out like what just happened. My fingers are just so big. Tape it on the inside and you leave the tabs open like that, and that's your leg. So now you have your leg done.